Welcome back to Market Pros, and let's get into it. All right, so here we got Solana on the 4-hour on FTX. So right now our RSI did come back down. Okay, so we did enter the bearish control zone, coming back up for a retest. Looks like we could get a resumption down if we break that last level right here on the RSI, that 41.44 level. MACD, pretty fresh cross to the downside. Negative momentum is increasing. Vol in the upper zone, but looks like it's contracting a little bit. Moving averages have negative slopes besides for the 200, but like I've said before, it takes a little while to catch up. So your 21 did just cross your 50 to bearish. And so if these fan back out, that's not going to look good. First, we're going to go over the bullish case because I'm leaning a little bit more bearish at the moment. So to get bullish would be to get back above this breakdown point at 108.75 and to make a higher high than 110.50. I would expect us to come up to 116 at that point, and honestly I think we would even come up to this next level at about 127.26 region. So let's move on to the 1 hour. Okay, so I mean this just kind of looks like a corrective bounce. I mean your 50 is about to cross your 100. If these do cross, it's not going to look good, especially if these fan out and give you the confirmation. Your 21, it looks like it's trying to cross the 200 as well. It's coming back down to it. You're in the bearish control zone. You are below the signal line. MACD, if this is a retest and a resumption, once again, going to feed into the bearish case. Now, if we can get this crossover, your negative momentum is decreasing, and you're printing your first dark green bar right here. It's barely there, though, so it could switch around pretty fast. Vol's in the lower zone. We could just range out here. That's another option. I mean, we could just range out and then come back to it, see which way we break the range. So, yeah, you're like, oh, so it could go up, it could go down, or it could go sideways. Yeah, it's all about probabilities and risk management. Yeah, that's very important. It's all about probabilities and risk management. There's always a bullish and a bearish case. There's always a neutral case. That's why it's good to go over 3, at least the bullish and bearish cases, even for your own analysis. You just want to do that. It'll benefit you in the long run, because then you're not biased all the time. You don't always want to be bullish. You don't always want to be bearish, you know. So that's the 1 hour. I mean, this could be just a corrective bounce and resumption off. If we do resume down at 101.50 and break that level on a 1 hour closure, next stop, I would expect a bounce at 98, basically 99. And ultimately, I think we would come back down to $92 region. You know, maybe even 93. No, I'd be looking more at $92. Yeah, so those are my thoughts for Solana. Everyone, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel. I could use all the support I can get, and it's a free way to support the channel. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.